Cancer. Spirit is sending a profound message. A new income chapter is about to open, bringing opportunities for growth, security, and fulfillment. The universe is aligning circumstances, people, and resources to support your financial expansion. If you've been uncertain about timing, missed chances, or past setbacks, Spirit is reminding you that now is the moment to step forward with intention, focus, and trust. Energy is shifting beneath the surface, preparing the way for new ventures, income streams, or ways to use your skills and talents in meaningful ways. Spirit is asking you to notice signs, messages, or connections that appear now, and to trust your inner guidance in choosing which opportunities to pursue. This chapter is not just about earning money, it's about aligning your efforts with purpose and long-term vision. This reading emphasizes focus, strategy, and inspired action. Cancer, your natural intuition, empathy, and attention to detail are your greatest strengths. When paired with deliberate effort and practical planning, these qualities ensure that this new income chapter will be both abundant and sustainable. The first card is abundance. Abundance signals the flow of prosperity entering your life. Spirit is showing that financial opportunities, resources, and support are accessible if you remain open and aligned with your purpose. This card reminds you that abundance begins with awareness and mindset. You already possess what you need to recognize and claim these opportunities. At a deeper level, this card emphasizes optimism. By focusing on possibilities rather than limitations, you attract energy and opportunities that support growth. Your focus and intent act like a magnet, drawing in aligned circumstances and people. This card also highlights multiple forms of wealth. Beyond money, abundance includes opportunities for personal growth, professional satisfaction, and the fulfillment that comes from pursuing work aligned with your values. Spirit's message is clear. Consciously claim prosperity, align your efforts with purpose, and trust that the universe is supporting your financial expansion. The second card is Opportunity Knocks. Opportunity Knocks represents new doors opening, invitations, and potential ventures ready for exploration. Spirit is highlighting that fresh income opportunities may appear in unexpected ways, through ideas, people, or inspired action. Awareness and readiness are key to recognizing them. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes courage. Some opportunities may seem unconventional or challenging, but stepping forward with confidence transforms potential into tangible results. Hesitation or doubt can delay progress, so trust your intuition and act decisively. This card also encourages open-mindedness. Opportunities may not always appear as you expect, yet they often hold the greatest potential for growth if embraced with curiosity and discernment. Spirit wants you to recognize signs, take inspired action, and allow these opportunities to set you on a path toward prosperity and fulfillment. The third card is Manifestation. Manifestation represents the power to create your financial reality through intention, focus, and aligned action. Cancer. Spirit reminds you that your thoughts, beliefs, and deliberate efforts shape your income and opportunities. When your vision is clear and your actions intentional, results appear faster and more effectively. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes alignment. Your actions, mindset, and goals must work together. Misalignment, distraction, or doubt slows the flow of abundance. Maintaining focus and intentionality ensures your efforts manifest results that match your vision. This card also highlights personal responsibility. Manifestation is an active process. The outcomes you desire depend on your planning, focus, and follow-through. Hope alone will not generate sustainable financial growth. Spirit's guidance is clear. Commit fully, act intentionally, and trust that your efforts will create the income and opportunities you desire. The fourth card is Steady Growth. Steady growth signals patience, discipline, and the value of consistent, deliberate action. Spirit is emphasizing that this new income chapter is built on reliability rather than quick, fleeting gains. Long-term progress comes from steady, mindful effort. At a deeper layer, this card highlights resilience. Even when progress feels slow, each intentional step strengthens your foundation, and the cumulative effect compounds over time. Your natural Cancer determination ensures that your efforts are meaningful and effective. This card also encourages structure and organization. Systems, tracking progress, and careful planning create a framework that supports both short-term and long-term financial stability. Spirit reminds you, consistent, focused effort now ensures that your financial growth is secure, sustainable, and aligned with your life purpose. The fifth card is Opportunity Within. Opportunity Within reminds you, Cancer, that your greatest financial advantage lies in your own skills, intuition, and talents. Spirit is emphasizing that before looking outward for solutions, you must recognize the value you already possess. Your experience, creativity, and inner wisdom are the keys to unlocking this new income chapter. At a deeper layer, this card highlights self-trust. Acting from confidence in your abilities allows opportunities to align naturally with your goals. When you honor your intuition and insights, doors open with less effort and greater reward. This card also encourages exploration and innovation. Trying new approaches, experimenting with creative solutions, or applying your skills in ways you haven't considered can reveal income streams you didn't know were possible. Spirit's message is clear. Wealth begins within. Acknowledge your worth, harness your talents, and opportunities will flow toward you effortlessly. The sixth card is Clarity. Clarity represents insight, focus, and understanding your path. Spirit is showing that the next steps in your financial chapter require seeing things clearly, knowing where to invest your energy, time, and resources. Confusion or hesitation can stall progress, but clear vision guides purposeful action. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes decisiveness. Once you identify the best course, committing fully ensures that your efforts produce tangible and lasting results. Clarity aligns you with opportunities and the universe's support. This card also encourages honesty and realism. Understanding your true needs, evaluating situations objectively, and communicating clearly with others ensures your actions are effective and productive. Spirit reminds you, clear thinking and focus transform potential into action, making your new income chapter achievable and sustainable. The seventh card is Momentum. Momentum represents forward movement, acceleration, and the compounding effects of consistent effort. Spirit is signaling that the work you've already done is building energy, propelling your financial path forward. Each step now strengthens your foundation for growth. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes persistence. Even if progress feels slow, every intentional action contributes to long-term results. Staying consistent ensures your efforts accumulate into meaningful outcomes. This card also encourages adaptability. As opportunities shift or evolve, being flexible while maintaining forward motion ensures that you capitalize on possibilities without losing your course. Spirit's guidance is clear. Keep taking deliberate steps, maintain focus, and trust that your consistent efforts are generating increasing financial success. The eighth and final card is Abundant Horizons. Abundant Horizons represents the arrival of rewards, expansion, and long-term prosperity. Spirit is showing that your new income chapter has the potential to exceed expectations, offering both financial security and fulfillment aligned with your purpose. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes vision and optimism. Focusing on the bigger picture attracts opportunities that support immediate gains and sustainable growth. This card also encourages gratitude. Celebrating your progress, appreciating support, and acknowledging wins creates a positive energy flow that invites even more abundance into your life. Spirit's message is clear. Your path is open, your efforts are supported, and this new income chapter can bring prosperity, stability, and fulfillment when approached with focus, patience, and inspired action. Affirmation for you: I step confidently into my new income chapter. I trust my intuition, embrace clarity, and welcome abundant opportunities that support my growth and prosperity. Cancer, personal readings start at $9, and a $99 monthly membership gives unlimited guidance for 30 days.